Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How to upload images or videos to Lovable AI and use them effectively within your project. Let's get started. To begin, open any web browser and visit the official Lovable website. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your login credentials. After logging in, choose the project you want to work on and navigate to the chatbot section within that project. In the chat area, you'll notice a plus icon that allows you to add extra content to your prompt. Click on this icon to reveal additional options, then select the Attachments option. This feature lets you upload different types of media directly into the chat. From here, you can choose whether you want to upload an image or a video from your device. Select the file you need and wait for it to upload completely. Once the media is attached, simply type your instructions and ask the AI to perform the task using the uploaded file. Lovable AI will then process your request based on the media you provided. And that's it. This is how you can easily upload images or videos to Lovable AI and use them in your projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.